How much should we focus in learning how to pray in Hebrew?
Usually it should be like I would say if the whole learning, let's say 100% learning, whatever in hours you you add like put any number whatever hours you learn every day. So I would say maybe 10-15% you can dedicate to praying, like learning how to pray in Hebrew. Okay. So because especially when people start learning the language, so it slows them down a lot, and they would skip like because the time constraint, they would skip most of the prayers because they want to pray Hebrew. That's a mistake. That's a huge mistake. And so we don't skip things. So if you would, so I would advise if somebody learns Hebrew, so try to add small paragraphs, maybe one line, two lines, some sentences that you know how to pronounce, and then build up. But it should not be in expense or cutting off some piece of prayers. Right? That's absolutely not unacceptable. That's all. Okay. Any other questions? Anybody? Last call before Shabbos. Okay, no problem. So, no questions. So we stop here. BeEzrat HaShem, it was very successful week. Every day we did extra overtime. Baruch Hashem. That's I like me personally. I like participation. I like interactions. So I see that people actually learning. They thinking. They have questions. I always have questions. Me personally, I always have questions.